So si Shea Gilgeous-Alexander as the regular season MVP ng NBA. So, you know, uh, not even, I don't even recall in my recent memory na may Canadian-born MVP sa NBA. So, it's the first time ata in very recent memory na, hindi, si Steve Nash pala. Si Steve Nash. So, 2005, so after Steve Nash, that is primarily 19 years ago, after Steve Nash, 19 years after, meron na namang Canadian-born NBA regular season MVP. Pero ito is not a point guard, is a shooting guard, no? Kasi si Steve Nash is one of the pure point guards. Steve Nash yun. Ito kasi offensive guard o shooting guard, even small forward. So, ito ang makakita ng MVPs, yung typical nature ng MVPs are natural born scorers. Ang dami nilang paraan para umiscore. And besides, you win the game by scoring the most points. Pero at the same time, you have also to stop your opponent from scoring. Ganun ang objective ng basketball. Kasi nga dahil pag nananalo ka, sino yung maraming puntos, dun sila naka-emphasize sa puntos. So, ano nangyayari kung puntos ka ng puntos and then yung kalaban mo, pumuntos din, wala, matatalo ka sa bandang uli. But ito kasi, after Kevin Durant naman, team-wise, ito na si SGA yung so-called face ng Oklahoma, ng OKC. No, second round pa lang, hopefully makarating sila sa conference finals and hopefully NBA finals. No, sana makapag-champion yung Oklahoma. Ito yung dating Supersonics eh. Ito yung dating Seattle Supersonics na kung mabibigyan ng pagkakataong kauna-unahang conference championship in recent years. Conference championship na from the city of Oklahoma. So, yun. I mean, magaling talaga to si SGA kahit sa Canadian national team. Isa to sa parte ng scouting report mo. But again, sa akin very underrated yung defense ito. Mas maganda yung matchup nila ni Anthony Edwards. Actually, yun yung gusto kong matchup, si Shea Gilgeous-Alexander at saka si Anthony Edwards. But I wanted to see them do their thing not only offensively but defensively. So, yun lang po.